Great video editing is like a delicious meal. It's not just about what you see, but also what you hear. In this part of our CapCut Basics series, we're diving into the world of audio. Whether you're a storyteller, a content creator, or just someone who wants to add some pizzazz to their videos, we've got you covered. Here's a quick look at what we're going to cover. Number 1. Adding and editing background music. Setting the mood with music is a pro tip. Learn how to trim it and make it fit your video like a glove. Number 2. Using sound effects. Want to add some impact, humor, or energy to your videos? SFX are your best friend. No. 3. Voiceovers in CapCut. We're talking about recording and editing your narration directly in CapCut. No microphone needed. No. 4. Audio effects and filters. From reverb to EQ presets to fun creative effects, let's enhance those voices. No. 5. Syncing audio with video. Want your cuts and transitions to match the music beats? We'll show you how to do that. No. 6. Noise reduction and audio cleanup. Is your audio a bit muddy? Remove background noise and make your sound shine. Number 7. Balancing audio levels. How to blend your voice, music, and sound effects in perfect harmony. And finally, WeLines dive into some advanced tricks like using Beat Sync for automatic editing and auto captions with sound cues. These features will blow your mind. With this knowledge in hand, you'll be crafting professional sounding videos in no time. So let's get started and turn up the volume on your creativity. And here's a bonus tip for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload. Share this series with your friends who are also looking to level up their video editing game. Now let's get back to the video. Part 5 done. Woohoo, you now know how to master sound in CapCut, from background music to professional voiceovers, effects, and syncing. With these tools, your videos don't just look good, they sound amazing too. As we wrap up this part of the series, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite audio trick you've learned? Which tool are you most excited to use in your next project? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Now it's time to move on to Part 6, Text and Captions Mastery in CapCut. Your words are powerful. Let's make them pop on screen and connect even more with your audience. So click the link below to keep learning and stay tuned for more awesome content. See you in Part 6.